The Dog King. Today we're gonna play Thunder Stock Cars. I haven't played this, so it's new to me and gonna be new to you guys. It says it's supposed to have lightning McQueen. So let's see. We start with a pink car. How about let's start with 5? I haven't played this game, so.
Blue spiky hair. Blue spiky hair.
I'm in first place. I think I'm playing by myself. Let's quit that race.
So yeah, now I'm playing whatever this is called, like Polo.
Let's go. Let's try this again. We're in head. We're at number 1. We may win this. So if I win this, if I win this race, one of you lucky winners will win a Robux gift card. See if I can win this. Let's go. Yeah, third lap. Let's go. We have won the race. Let's go. GG. This is a real race. Let's go. Let's see if I can win this. And also, like the video if you're very awesome. Like the video if you like cars. Comment below your favorite car. I'm in first place. Let's go. Dogs. They're probably hitting lap 2 right now. Guys, it's been 40 minutes. Peace everyone, and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the video. Hit the like button up and turn on notification and comment your favorite car. Peace, Dog King.